before the note. So now we have a hugging chord in A minor. But this chord's not in root position, is it? So it's not the bottom note that tells us his letter name. Do you remember which note for the hugging chord? The top note tells us his letter name. And in this case, what's the top note, Olivia?
E.
E. So this is an E chord, right? That's his letter name. But what's his number? What's his number? Yes. And what do we call that?
A 5/7.
A 5/7, that's right. So put that under your snowman there, your hugging chord. Excellent. And let's go draw him on your anteater. And then we'll learn how to play him. Okay? Very good. And moms will get out your highlight, well, mom and grandma will get out your, generally when we've got moms and grandmas in class, which I have a lot, happens fairly often these days, I just call everybody a mom. Even my dad's come. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going, oh, you've got a color, good, and it has to, of course, be a different color than last time. I'm going to draw your hugging chord on your anteater, and then we're going to harmonize him and see if he sounds good. Go. Thank you.
E7.
You have to remember this is a G sharp, so you need to draw that sharp sign on for you. Quickly, honey. There we go. That's a go. How about, okay, good. And I'm going to go up to the piano and we're going to harmonize it, right? We're going to find out who he sounds good with. And you know what? Pretty soon you're going to start to see a pattern. You're going to need that color still, so keep it out. You're going to start to see a pattern between your C major scale and your A minor scale where your chords sound good. You'll see that your one chord, every time we do a scale, sounds good with the same pattern of notes, and the same with your hugging chord. So let's find out who your hugging chord sounds good with. We know for sure that the snowman chord went with the A, but we know that the B, ouch, did not sound good with the snowman chord. Let's try him with the hugging chord. Here we go. E sounds good with the hugging chord. So color the circle under the B, please. Grandma, can you point to the C? Yeah, there we go. Okay, and C. Oh, it sounded beautiful with your snowman chord. But poor D was lonely. It had no one. Oh, not that snowman chord. Not the best with the hugging chord. I think D should stay all by himself. E went with your snowman chord. But that snowman chord did not sound good with. Oh, yes, cringe. Ouch. But, oh, no, not a hugging chord either. So F sounds good all by himself. Do you think it's going to be that one, Olivia? Close your eyes. There we go. G sharp sounds good with the hugging chord. And put your highlighters away, please, and let's have you both come up. And Mom will come up too, please. Okay, and I'm going to just show you this one by one. Okay, so first of all, Olivia, move over a little bit, and I want you to play a snowman chord for me. Now, how are we going to change that into a hug? Perfect. Back to the snowman chord, and a hugging chord, and a Okay, now let's have you guys play the chords, and I will play the scale, okay? So let's get your chords ready. 1, 2, ready. I'm going to go over here, okay? And I'll get Grandma to come and point for Olivia. Okay, so you're pointing to the chords only, right? The girls are only playing the chords. So just go up top and point to the chord. That's it. There we go. So first of all comes the snowman chord, and here we go. Snowman chord, then a hugging chord, then a snowman chord, then D's by himself, and snowman chord, and F's by himself, and hugging chord, and snowman chord. Excellent. Thank you, Grandma. Now, we didn't do this before, but I'm going to bring your books up, and we're going to put the MIDI on to play the chords. So, oopsie daisies, Colleen. We meant to put this on for the line 1, but yeah, we'll do it for both ones. So, there is my book. Oh, those stickers are not sticking, girls. After we finish today, we'll figure out what to do with those stickers that aren't sticking. Okay, so we're going to play our lines, and then I'm going to put the MIDI on. Okay, you ready? Left hands, please. Left hands. Spider fingers. 1, 2, ready, and play. Half note, top, top, half note, touch, touch, great A, whole note. Oh, wait for me. 1, 2, ready, and go. Ta, 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 half note, ta, ta, half note, touch. Good counting. Okay, I'm going to put the MIDI on. You really loved it last week when we were doing it with our C major chords, right? You loved using the MIDI. You have to wait for me to tell you when to start, okay? All right, don't just jump in. Remember, we got to wait. All right, here we go. Song that we did as well, but just before we do that, let's bring our books back down and let's take a look at L14. So what 2 minor scales have we been talking about? There's A minor that's just natural, and then there's the other A minor one that's harmonic. Let's turn to L14, please, and Mums and Mom and Grandma will help. And get out your highlighters, please. And we are going to just do a couple of these, and then we'll do a little bit more of this next week, okay? Okay, on L14, it says, which minor? Check the one you hear. So we're only going to do a couple of these, okay? Number 1, close your eyes, everyone, Mums and Grandma and everyone, and see if you can tell me, did I play a minor that's natural or A minor that's harmonic? doing that, you know, harmonic this time. I might just trick you. Never assume. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and just listen. You can just use the same color, okay? 1, 2, ready, and listen. What's that? Yes, Chelsea. A minor harmonic. I didn't trick you after all. Number 2, color the circle beside harmonic. And then I'd like you to get K22, because time is going fast on us, but we did do our solo time first, so that's always not part of our class. Okay, that's okay. And let's have both our girls and come up to point for K22. Here we go. Let's go. And we're going to start with all of our left hands. Oh, it had that really fancy little tiny note. What did we call that? What did we do with that? Crush note. It had a very large name too. It's very tall. And hand you left. And get ready for your chord. We're going to play all the left hands together, please. 1, 2, ready, and go. Now, let's try our right hands all together, both just your right hands, and we're going to say our note names out loud, okay? But I'm not going to say them, am I? Who's going to be saying the note names? Oh, that's true, you guys. 1, 2, ready, and go. Let's try that one more time. Okay, Chelsea? Okay. Let's try that again. 1, 2, ready. Good singing the note names, but we also have to play the same one. Okay, 1, 2, ready, and go. Let's come down and talk about putting our hands together. Together? Yes, about tapping it so we know and we're prepared to do it hands together. Okay? Because the ground is going to point and Mom is going to point. And in this song, now, when we tap, we put our left hand on our left knee and our right hand taps on our right knee, but Grandma has the point. Yeah, because we know Grandma knows how to play it, but we don't know if Chelsea does, okay? Okay. So which hand will start playing in this song, Olivia?
Left.
That's right, our left hand. And it's not till we get to measure 3 where both hands play together, but your left hand has to sing and wait while your right hand taps again. So